Today let's try how to hack a 9 volts battery to a stained power supply, so you never need to buy battery again. First, let's use this multimeter as a sample since it does require 9 volts battery. Let us open this multimeter to check inside. Here's the battery inside. Let's test it. Seems no power out. This is dead battery. How do I convert this 9 volts battery into power adapter so we never worry about out of battery again? Let me show you. First we need to open this battery. Here's the battery inside. We can see there's 6 small battery with this tip top which we can reuse this tip. I can wire 2 connect to this tip. The red line to this side and black wire to the other side. That is what we got, and now let's test it. So we got power again. Device is powered without ever worrying about running out of batteries. Like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome tips, and share it with someone who needs this trick. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.